And land in the area of some of southwest Montana's premium trout rivers could be opened up to oil and natural gas drilling. MTN's John Amy tells us what areas could be affected.
The Bureau of Land Management is considering opening up thousands of acres of land for potential leasing for gas and oil drilling and hydraulic fracking along the Big Hole and Beaverhead watersheds. The BLM has opened up more than 12,000 acres of property along the Big Hole River and Beaverhead River, some of it in Madison County and much of it in Beaverhead County. It's an issue of much concern since the Big Hole River is considered a blue ribbon trout fishing river. This owner of a fly shop along the Big Hole River said this is a complicated issue that runs a delicate balance between jobs and protecting the environment.
Everybody's trying to live here together, and there's a lot of different industries that are competing for the same natural resources. And I think the only thing that we can do is study it, have some regulations and be careful.
Some of the land that's being considered for leasing is this area south of Glen along the Big Hole River.
Obviously, I'd be concerned if it affects the quality of the river and my livelihood, of course, just looking at it from my viewpoint. But I would be I could also understand the other side of the argument, which is, more energy for the country and potential revenues for the community.
However, if anyone seriously considers oil and gas exploration along this river, some people say they hope they make the environmental impact a priority.
That the checks and balances are in place and that the environment obviously should come first. Remediation plans should be in effect.
Near Glen, John Amy, MTN News.
The Bureau of Land Management is giving the public until this Friday to comment on the issue.